Hey guys, welcome back. I'm coming on to play along with both Build-A-Page and Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. I am using kits from Not Just for Boys Kit Club for all of this, well, both series actually. And this one was from August 2022. It's called the Limitless Kit. Great. I've got some pattern paper. I've got die cuts, enamel dots. I have got embroidery floss, but I'm not going to embroider, so we're going to pretend that's not even there. We have enamel dots. Oh, I love these hexes, so those are totally getting used. Let's see. I have got some puffy stickers, a couple of cardstock cuts. I'm not going to use Jet Set because this wasn't an airplane type story. Might use Limitless. Feeling kind of about that. Definitely going to use Today, and I want to use these puppies. So those will come together for a really nice title. Let me show you my photo. It's a photo of my daughter and my mother on Mackinac Island. The day we were leaving, they put all of these corn stalks out. So that was really pretty. Let me show you the sketch. This sketch is from Allison Crosgard, and I don't know if I pronounced it right or not. So she's got, like, it looks like 4 bits, kind of square, rectangle, whatever the size you have is awesome. We have got a matted layout, embellishments. Oh, and the title is going up this way and that way. That's kind of interesting. Maybe we'll do something there. And some kind of stuff down here. And just a couple of embellishments. So super great sketch. Easy peasy to use with whatever. I have to mat that with some white cardstock. We'll do that in a second. And you know, who knows how much we will end up matting that. But I do like that this paper here, works with my mom's scarf. Now, cars are not allowed on this island, so seeing the cars is not that big of a deal. So let me move this aside. I want to see what I would like to mat this on. Oh, that would be cute. I can mat this one, this Simple Vintage C's. Simple Vintage, I have my Invisalign in. I'm lisping. Simple Vintage C's in marine blue silt. So this will work. We were like right up here in Michigan. So I'm going to go ahead and mat it on top of that. Not a big deal. I think that would be awesome. And I have to see if I need to gut this, if I have enough product to create the, well, I don't know, 3 to 4 squares across the top or not. I'm not quite sure. Let me go ahead and get the bar out here. And I think I will put this on at what, like 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. I do like that this paper, you know, it's a double-sided. It's a little bit variegated, so we've got a little something going on. There we go. So I have that. This will go on top of this paper so we can see some of that. That would be cool. So you can use this and this. So 1, 2, actually that kind of works. So I do have plenty of this paper. So I'm going to go ahead and just, oh, you know what? I might need more paper to mat my photo. No, I'm having so much angst deciding. No, I'm going to just go for it. Something tells me to just go for it and get these pieces popped on. So when that happens, we just got to do, oh no, we're having tangling, what our first idea is. So we're going to do this. Kind of ishy-ish. I don't feel like scuffing on this one. I scuffed on my last one. So we have that. Then, let's see. It looks almost like they're like 3 by 3-ish squares. I don't know if they are, but it kind of looks like that. Is 3? you know, I'm going to start at 4 because I can always make it smaller. How does that sound? Because I don't know. So if I did 4 by 4, that's going to go all the way across. So what if I do 4 by 3? Guys, I have no idea what I'm doing yet. So I have that. And then I'll do the same. Ooh, see this piece right here that has the, this piece right here has these lighthouses, and we were in a lighthouse situation. So let's do that. So we have that one, that one. Those are fun. Okay, I like how this is going. And then one more. And I'm gonna use the blue again. Okay. We have that. So I like those 3. I think that's really fun. I think it's cute. I need to get some bands of something skinny beneath it. We're gonna do that in a minute. Let's just go ahead and try. Ugh, I hate the tape that's in my ATG right now. It's the Woat. And it's funny because it's like the good name brand stuff, whereas the stuff I usually use is just from Tape Jungle. And I'm not pushing these down yet. I'm going to get my T-square ruler. The Tape Jungle stuff does not tangle as much. All right, so right about there-ish. Right about there-ish. Do we feel good about that? I do. Okay. Why does it seem kind of hinky still? I don't know. I do like that it has a lighthouse. I don't even know if we're going to be able to see it, but I do like that it exists. I'm going to make these a little bit tight together because, and leave more room here, because, you know, I might have embellishments or something we can fill up some of that space with. I have to mat this photo. And I've got tons of white cardstock from previous layouts that we've been doing. Does it fit this way? Not enough. Okay. So I'm going to mat my photo a bunch of times. I'm going to see about what kind of strips of paper I can go down here. 1, 2, 3, like the inspiration. There's 4 blocks of paper in the sketch up here. I went with 3 because, you know, I have a limited product. And once a base is done, we'll start designing the rest. So I've got the base of my layout done, like it. So let's take a look at the sketch really quickly. So we've got a bunch of embellishments, title, kind of a subtitle here. And yeah, so that's kind of where we are now. Thought we would do a check-in with that. I do want to use up these hexes. I think they're super cool. I've got sequins, I have enamel dots. I need to get my title. I've got today. I might just have explore over here and today going this way. It's navy on navy, which isn't the brightest plan, but maybe I'll have some of these cream colored embellishments, which will be probably key to us being able to see anything. So let's see what we have in here. It's gonna take a little, ooh, maybe I should do some shaker pockets. I know, like you guys don't see me do shaker pockets on every other layout, but, or at least for now, why don't we go ahead, maybe not, maybe I don't need to do a shaker. Let's go ahead and put one of these on each because I want to balance, but whatever I do there is going to have to be kind of flat because I'm going to have this piece right here. You know what I mean? Okay. I'm going to build up stuff there. And then there's like just a couple of embellishments that kind of go do, kind of like a visual triangle kind of thing. So let me start doing some placing, all that kind of stuff, and I'll be right back. I think I'm going to go ahead and detail cut out a little bit of these florals. There were beautiful flowers all over this island, so I'm going to use a piece of that. I don't think there's much, let's see, what else is in here? Oh, I've got a few more pieces. I'm going to detail cut out some pieces. I need a few die cuts to do a little something with. I'll be right back. So I've got pieces cut out. I need to stick them all down. These are going to be like rather large embellishments that I want to tuck into my clusters. Oh, this can go right where my photo is. Maybe like that. And yeah, I just got to get all these down. I've got my title Explore, and then today, so Explore will go this way, today will go that way. I've got a couple, excuse me, Blue, a couple of hexes to pop on, some sequins and enamel dots next, and then we're going to be finished, but I'll come back for the enamel dots. Let's grab, we finally have a little bit of sun, so I'm going to put this up just a little bit closer. It has been so gloomy all week, and sun is just starting to pop out. It's most exquisite. So let's see. Should we get a little gold on here for a little sparkle? I think we should. So I've got my little hexes. I do like the way they look in the clusters. So pretty. So let's see. Just get some gold. Let's see, here, maybe over here. I don't know. I think so. I think so. I don't want to mess up like how clean my clusters look, so I'm just going to go boop, boop, boop. Let's see. Then maybe this charcoal color in all 3 of the clusters. And then finally, what are we thinking? The tan, the off-white. I think the off-white is just like the little bits, the little pieces. Oh, did I take, well, it's sticking there. It wasn't sticking when I wanted it to. Okay. Little one, and little one. And that will be that for this layout. It's pretty fun, very unexpected. It totally worked with this photo I already had printed. So there we go. There's that little lighthouse I talked about. I have a picture of the lighthouse as we were approaching. My hexes are fun, so I've got some good dimension. I've got some things going on with my florals that I cut out of our die cut ephemera pieces. And that, my friends, is another layout done. I'll have links down below for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, for Build-A-Page, for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. But that is it today, guys. I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video and still shots to follow. Bye, guys.